that what is the relation between electric field or intensity, electric field intensity and electric potential. Electric intensity is denoted by E, is a vector quantity, is a scalar quantity. What way it is related? This is they'll usually ask for 3 marks. See what you have to do here, we are doing only for this, electric potential class 7. This is level A, right? This is only a small help we are doing for your to prepare for an exam, and you take your college notes or your tuition notes or from YouTube or from textbook, from discuss with your friends and get it corrected. Whatever it is in the mind, we are writing it. Okay, there you have to correct it. You write it once, you will have an idea, but precise way of writing you have to write on your own. Once you have to write on your own, then only you'll get a proficiency. What are the topic? See, consider a region of electric field. E is a region of electric field. It may be the electric field is due to some big charges there or in one direction. The uniform electric field. This is a uniform electric field. That is the region of uniform electric field. Right? Now, take one particular point P. This is A. At this point, if you keep a unit positive charge, what will happen? It experiences a force. This is force acting on a unit positive charge. Understood? This is what force acting on a unit charge. Now from A to B, through a small distance, I am displacing the charge. I am displacing this charge, unit positive charge, against the field direction. This is what? Against the field direction. Or field, against field. Therefore, I am doing small amount of work. This is called small amount of work against the field direction. The small amount of work against the field direction, I think, means rise in potential energy. Rise in potential. Okay. Then there is a rise in potential energy is equal to small amount of work done against the field direction. That is equal to work done is equal to force into displacement. This is what is the force acting on a unit charge. This is not force acting on a unit charge. Displacement is dx. Therefore, this is dv. By definition, force acting on a unit charge is nothing but electric intensity. Is it not? By definition, force acting on a unit charge is electric intensity dx minus is equal to dv. Therefore, electric intensity is equal to minus dv by dx. See, this is called what I did it in the examination. If you write like this, they'll give only 2 marks because it is like you are written a skeleton. Even in chemistry, what you do is first they'll write the skeleton equation, then they'll start balancing, then they'll explain all these things. For skeleton, you have to give a muscle and life for that. Now, what do you understand? It is like a mathematics. How much marks you are expecting for 3 marks? You have to write what it is explanation. Therefore, consider, if you are a movie director also, you will tell the story, but you have to write the script writing for this, isn't it? Consider a region of uniform electric field. See, again what? Handwriting also should be proper, electric field. Right? Let an unit, a unit charge, 1 coulomb, is kept at some arbitrary point A in the electric field, in the electric field. You have to write the story, describe it. Therefore, it experiences the force on it. right? That is by definition, the force on unit charge in the field is electric intensity E, or electric field. That is, you write force acting on a unit charge is equal to E, you write it. You write it and write this. Next, this is which, where is the place? Placing is important. I have placed here, first point. Second point is this. Third point is this. Fourth point. Right? Now, shift the unit charge through a small distance. See, you know what this is? Through, THROUG, through, okay, small distance dx against the field direction. See here, this against is important. Against field direction. You are doing work done against the field direction. No? This work is stored in the charge as potential energy. That is rise in potential. That is what rise in potential. Then you write down this. Right? You write this. That is equal to force into displacement. Therefore, by definition, you write by definition, F plus C is equal to E. You put it here. You